This brand is from Unitary Products Group, which is a part of Johnson Controls. The Echelon HX control works with their Echelon line of communicating HVAC equipment to maximize comfort and efficiency. The controls are compatible with Alexa voice commands and the Apple Watch and provide for geofencing to automatically switch the HVAC system between home and away modes, as well as optionally allowing dealer remote access for system monitoring and troubleshooting. It is for single-zone systems, while the HX3 Communicating Zoning System can control up to 8 individual zones throughout the home. The controls are only sold and installed by factory-authorized Coleman equipment dealers, and their guarantee is not as good as other brands. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.